Hey, we're on. We're live. We're at CESA 3. We just got done finishing an AI workshop with Kendall and lots of other cool people. And I just wanted Kendall to share maybe just a few words about her thoughts on the event and how it was helpful for her.
Yeah, the workshop was amazing, very interactive. I learned tons of stuff that I'm going to bring back to my classroom and my students. It was super enlightening to learn all these new topics.
Yeah, and we have some more workshops coming up at CESA 3. I'd love for you all to be there. So, Kendall, thanks so much.
Absolutely, thank you.
All right, here we go. Now we're at CESA 3. We just finished a AI workshop. My name's Brian Buffington, and we had the most awesome time. I'm going to let Art tell you about it. He's probably better at it than I am. Go ahead.
So we had a conference here today about AI, the ability to use AI to help get closer to students to understand the ethical use of it, and to free up the time to spend time with students to get them better to their future wherever they end up being.
Yeah. And what was your nugget? I'm just curious, because I bring buff nuggets to people, nuggets that we can enjoy. What was there one that sticks out to you, Art?
Probably how easy it is to create an AI, the backdrops, the magazines, and get rid of shadows and the backgrounds.
Yeah.
To make neat little posters or stickers.
Yep. Just engaging students, and we're using AI to do that. So, Art, I really appreciate you, man. Thanks.